Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever wanted that perfect glossy lip? The kind that makes you feel effortlessly chic and polished? Well, today, we're diving into the Kiko Milano Jelly Stylo in 502 Natural Rose. This is a lip product that's been buzzing around for a while now, and it's all about delivering that wet look finish without the sticky feeling that some glosses can leave behind. First off, let's break down what this lipstick promises. The Kiko Milano Jelly Stylo is a stick-form lipstick designed to provide a luminous, wet look finish with a sheer yet buildable color. The shade we're reviewing, 502 Natural Rose, is a lovely neutral pink that works on a wide range of skin tones, making it versatile for both everyday wear and more dressed-up occasions. It's marketed as suitable for all skin types, and I can confirm that it lives up to that claim. It feels incredibly comfortable on the lips. Now, let's talk about the texture. The Jelly Stylo feels soft and nourishing, like a balm, which makes it incredibly easy to apply without worrying about feathering or uneven patches. There's a slight slip to it, but it's not the kind of gloss that moves around or sticks to everything. It stays put while giving you that beautiful dewy finish. When it comes to wearability, I gave it a solid test throughout the day, and here's what I noticed. The jelly-like consistency isn't heavy, so it doesn't feel like you're wearing a thick layer of gloss, but it still provides that high shine effect. However, it's not a long-lasting lipstick, so you might need to reapply after eating or drinking. Just a heads up there. The packaging is sleek and simple, with the twist-up design making it convenient for on-the-go use. It's not bulky, so it can easily slip into your bag or pocket. The design also feels sturdy, giving you confidence that it won't break or melt easily, even during warmer weather. As for the pros, well, I'm all about the easy application and the moisture it provides. The finish is smooth, the color is buildable without feeling overly thick, and it gives a natural, healthy shine that doesn't feel tacky. It's a really great option for those who want that glossy lip look without the messiness that comes with some traditional glosses. On the flip side, the main downside is its longevity. Since it's more of a balm gloss hybrid, it doesn't hold up as long as some lipsticks or stains. So if you're looking for something more long-wearing, this might not be the best fit. But if you're all about that quick reapplication and love the idea of a product that feels more like skincare than makeup, this could be your new go-to. So, let's talk about value for money. The Kiko Milano Jelly Stylo isn't the cheapest option out there, but I think it's worth the price. The formula feels high quality, and you're getting a glossy, comfortable finish that other drugstore glosses might not deliver. However, if you're someone who values long-lasting power over comfort and texture, you might want to look for something else. Now, if the Kiko Milano Jelly Stylo is a little above your budget, you might want to check out alternatives like the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. It gives a similar shiny finish and is often priced lower. Both give a beautiful glossy look, but Maybelline's formula may have a longer lasting hold. In terms of packaging and build quality, the Kiko Milano Jelly Stylo does a great job. It's lightweight, portable, and the twist-up design makes it easy to apply with minimal fuss. The product itself feels like it's made with quality materials, which I appreciate when it comes to a beauty product that I use daily. If you've had any experience with Kiko Milano or their products, you probably already know they've got a pretty good track record for handling customer service. While I didn't need to reach out for this review, the general feedback from the brand is that they're responsive and helpful when issues do arise. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a comfortable, glossy lipstick that gives you a nice wet look finish without the stickiness, the Kiko Milano Jelly Stylo in Natural Rose is a solid option. It's great for a natural, everyday look, and while it doesn't have the longest wear time, it's easy to reapply and feels great on the lips. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.